What is inflation? Inflation is one of those economic terms we hear all the time, on the news, in political debates, or when we notice our grocery bills getting higher. But what does it actually mean? In simple terms, inflation is the rate at which the general price level of goods and services increases over time. When inflation rises, every dollar you own buys a little less than it used to. It's not that products change, your money simply loses value. So why does inflation happen? There are a few major reasons. The first is demand pull inflation. This occurs when consumer demand exceeds the available supply. Imagine everyone suddenly wants to buy new cars, but factories can't produce enough. Prices rise because companies know people are willing to pay more. The second cause is cost push inflation, when the cost of producing goods increases. If raw materials or wages go up, businesses often pass these costs to consumers. And then there's built-in inflation, which happens when workers expect prices to rise in the future, demand higher wages, and companies raise prices to compensate. It becomes a cycle. Central banks, like the U.S. Federal Reserve, monitor inflation closely. A small amount of inflation, around 2% per year, is considered healthy. It encourages people to spend and invest rather than hoard money. But when inflation rises too quickly, it can create serious problems. Savings lose value, essential items become more expensive, and financial stability weakens. In extreme cases, like historical hyperinflation in Zimbabwe or Weimar Germany, prices doubled within days, and cash became almost worthless. To control inflation, governments use tools such as adjusting interest rates. Higher interest rates make borrowing more expensive, slowing economic activity and reducing demand. Lowering rates can stimulate spending when inflation is too low. Striking the right balance is crucial. Inflation affects everyone: families, businesses, and entire nations. Understanding how it works helps us make smarter financial decisions, from budgeting to investing. So the next time you hear inflation in the news, you'll know it's more than just rising prices. It's a complex force shaping the world economy every single day.